Sprunky Cartoon Friendship presents Durple's Hiccups Part 2.
Today is another boring day in Sprunky Town.
Hey, Durple!
What do you want, Wenda?
Wanna try soda? It's good for you.
No thanks, I'm good.
You should try it.
I love it.
That's strange. Oh no! I got the hiccups! Hey, Durple, you should try this.
Huh?
It's good for you.
No, I don't want to have hiccups again.
Wait, don't resist this.
Coca-Cola? Oh, that was delicious. Hip! Oh no, it's happening again. Hip!
Hey Wes, you know what this reminds me of?
What is it, Ratty?
It kind of reminds me of the time when a man named Matzilla 2005 dubbed the first part of this series.
Really? Can I see it?
Sure, go right ahead.
Oh, this is one of the reasons why you should never trust strangers, kids.
Hip! Don't worry, Durple, I got some water for you. Wait a minute.
All right, let's give it a try.
So, did it work?
I think it did.
Nope, not doing that again.
So that's why to remove the glass shards from Sky's body. It was all because of the glass.
Oh, that's painful, isn't it, right, Durple?
Oh, that was a nasty burp. The soda's killing me. Anyways, yes, that's exactly what happened. I tried holding in my hiccup after I drank that water, but it had to be let out. My body couldn't hold it anymore.
Here, Durple, have a chili pepper.
Huh? A chili pepper? Sure. Let's give it a try. A bit spicy, but I can live with it. Uh-oh. I don't think my tummy's not too happy with this. Sorry, Lime. It did not work for me.
I wonder what's going to happen in Sprunky Town. Huh? Why does Lime have a burnt face? And why is Durple going all over the place? Huh? A Coca-Cola can? This can only mean one thing. Wenda.
Coca-Cola, get your Coca-Cola here.
Ash, are you sure this will work?
Yes, it will. Trust me on this. It'll be so cool. All right, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wait, why isn't my pump working? And one more for the road.
Wenda, are you the one selling this weird beverage?
It wasn't me.
Huh? Durple? Oh, Simon, it's you. I'm not letting you help me after what happened last time.
Oh, look at what I made for you.
All right, fine. I'll forgive you, but don't do it again.
Alright, what's all the hullabaloo? Hey, calm down, you two. I have a perfect plan to get rid of your hiccups. So, Simon, all you have to do is to punch his back, and he will release all the gas from his mouth, and you'll be good.
Whoa.
Oh, that's a great idea.
Are
Right,
you
time to get my punch
sure
ready.
about this?
1, 2, 3.
What was that?
I did it. Did it.
Whoa, that was intense.
Hey, Wes, I'm watching a video here. Can you please be quiet?
Sorry.
Oh, I'm finally glad that Durple's free from the hiccups. Hope we'll never give him another drink of water again.
Huh? What are you doing here, Mr. Fun Computer? What do you mean by that? Wait, hold on.